Hi everyone, this is just a quick video to let you know about the update from January 21 that Brother have done for the Canvas Workspace for computer. Now for anybody that was using a Mac and had updated to the operating system Big Sur, you will have discovered that once that update was done, it created problems using text in Canvas Workspace for computer. Now, Brother had been putting the information here in the news box probably since about last October. Some people had said they'd seen it and just ignored it. Other people said they'd not seen the information at all. So the first thing I want to show you is where you get information about these updates. So you need to have Canvas active, and right at the top of the page you will see Brother Canvas Workspace. You'll see File, Edit, Layer, Display, Premium and Window. And when you select Window, you need to come down here and make sure there's a tick next to the word News. Now mine's greyed out because I've already got this automatically selected. So that's what you have to have switched on. And once you've got that turned on, each time you open Canvas Workspace on your computer, the news box will pop up with any information for you. You can turn it off by selecting this box down here that says Don't Ask Me Again. But basically, what this update has done, it's fixed, as it says here, the text adding function for Mac OS Big Sur. The bits that I found really good are these last two sections here. So added the function to import file by drag and drop, and added the function to launch Canvas Workspace on Windows or Mac by double clicking the FCM file. So let's just close that down. Let's close this canvas down. So you normally go to the top of your page where it says Brother Canvas Workspace when you've selected on this mat, and you would normally go to File and Import File from Computer. Then you would choose where you've got your file saved. I've got an old cutting file here, and you would select it and click Open, and it will drop on your mat, and then you can work on it. Now what the update has done, it's given us the option to, once you've opened a page here, you can just drag a cutting file from your desktop or from a folder and drop it onto your page and be able to work with it. The other option it's done is I'm going to close Canvas Workspace down altogether, and then, as I say, I've got an FCM file here saved on my desktop, so I've not got Canvas open at all, and I'm just going to left double click on this OWL FCM cutting file, and it's going to open Canvas Workspace for me. So you're back to here where you would normally have gone in the past. And then it brings the cutting file in. So I think, apart from the fact that they've sorted the text issue out for Big Sur, the ability to be able to just drag and drop if you've already got Canvas open, or if you've not got Canvas Workspace for your computer open, to be able to double click on a cutting file now and have it open is brilliant. So I hope you found that helpful. Please give the video a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe if you don't already do so. YouTube are telling me that quite a large percentage of people that watch my videos on a regular basis are not subscribed. I am trying to get to 50,000 subscribers by the end of the year, so please subscribe. It doesn't cost you anything. You don't get mithered by YouTube or me or anybody else. Just hit the bell notification icon next to the red subscribe box and just turn on all notifications, and that way you'll be told when I upload any videos like this one, and you'll also be told when I go live. So I hope that was helpful, and I'll see you in the next video. Thank you.